So I want to start with a simple story, and I have a hunch that you're going to see a little bit of yourself in this.
It's a tale of two builders. Let's call them person A and person B. Now, these are smart people, driven, creative, probably a lot like you. And they see the incredible potential in AI. They're not just messing around with the tech, They want to build something that solves a real problem, something people would actually be excited to use and to pay for.
Okay, so person A does what so many of us do. They fall into that trap. The one where you buy another long course, you watch hours and hours of theory, you feel productive, but when you look back, there's no real traction. Your best ideas, they end up in a folder called Build Later. Sound familiar? But person B, they take a completely different path. They step into the AI Builder's vault. Instead of long lectures, they're using short, focused modules. They feel calm, grounded, and they actually execute on their ideas the very same day.
And you know what all of person A's hard work gets them? People say, "Oh, this is cool," or "Hey, nice idea." But compliments don't really lead to buyers, do they? It doesn't translate into real results. It's a really frustrating dead end.
This is where person B's journey is just fundamentally different. From day one, they're not asking, what can I build with this cool new technology? No, they're asking a much smarter question. What should I build that the market already wants? It's a total game changer.
And that's really the core of it right there. Person A is busy learning tools, person B is busy building momentum. One is just spinning their wheels, and the other's actually getting somewhere.
So, if that story about person A resonated with you at all, let's talk about the real reason you might be feeling stuck. It's this pain that, honestly, nobody really names.
It's that feeling, isn't it? That experience of building things people compliment, but they just don't buy.
Or this one, that sinking feeling of being productive but not profitable. You're putting in the hours, you're busy, but there's no financial reward to show for it.
And maybe the most frustrating one of all is watching other people ship things faster. And deep down, they don't have more skill than you. They just have better direction. It's not about being smarter. It's about having a better system.
But what if you could just avoid all of that frustration, all of that wasted effort? Well, that's exactly why we created the AI Builder's Vault. And let me be really clear. This is a system, not another course. It's the solution to wasted effort.
So, what is it? Think of the AI Builder's Vault as your decision-making engine. Its entire job is to help you figure out what is actually worth your time. It's a shortcut vault filled with reusable assets and, most importantly, a system for reading the market so you can stop guessing.
At the very heart of the vault is this simple, repeatable three-step process. First, you have a clear build. Second, you validate. And third, you monetize. This simple but really powerful framework guides you through every single stage, from just an idea all the way to launch.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but what if I fail? What if this is just another waste of time? And look, that's a totally valid concern. It's why we designed this whole thing to de-risk your ideas from the start.
Because how many of us have started a project with all this enthusiasm only to watch it fizzle out? You're not alone if you ask this question. What if this is just another thing I don't finish?
Well, here's the secret. Real progress comes from making better decisions earlier. It's not about working harder. The Vault is designed to help you validate your ideas fast. I'm talking days, not weeks, so you can kill the bad ones and focus all your energy on the projects that actually have the greatest potential.
You might also be thinking, yeah, but is this really for me? Maybe you're a complete beginner or you're a non-coder. Maybe you're using AI builders or no-code tools. Maybe you've got a tight budget or you feel completely outside the tech bubble. Let me be perfectly clear, this is for you.
So, that brings us to right now. You're at a crossroads. You have a choice in front of you about your path forward.
On one hand, there's path one, the status quo. You can keep guessing. Keep building things that might work, and just hope you'll figure it out eventually. Or there's path two, the vault, where you stop guessing, you execute with a system, and you move forward with genuine clarity.
So the question is pretty simple. The busy path or the focused one?
It's time to build with intention.